Welcome back to my channel. My name is Alicia and this is Heart and Hand Creations and Events. Today's video, guys, I will be sharing with you how I was able to decorate for a 50th birthday party on a budget. And we will begin by building the centerpieces. There are 8 centerpieces for 8 tables. And here I'm showing you everything that I'll be using for this project, the centerpiece project. And all the materials will be listed in the description. Okay, right here I'm showing you the crown that I will be putting together. There's 8 crowns, and I began by putting all the crowns together first. Once I had all of my crowns together, I went ahead and I glued the styrofoam into the bottom of each centerpiece vase. And by the way, guys, these vases I attached or I glued candle holders on the bottom to raise them up and to give it a more elegant look for the table. Once all of my styrofoam was in place, I put in the gold stencil filler in each centerpiece. Once that was done, I just went ahead and pushed the stencil in place to hide to cover the styrofoam. After that, I put the black and gold boas inside. Those boas came from Dollar Tree, and I got them in the beginning of the spring for the Mardi Gras, and they also sell the black and gold for the New Year. And right here I'm showing you the $100 bill prop money that I purchased from the Amazon, and I'm using bamboo skewers that I spray painted black, and I'm using double-sided tape to put that in place. And those will also be going inside of the vases. Once my vases were all put together, this is just to show you how they look before I put the money in, which I didn't do until I got to the venue. And this is how they will look. I think they turned out really pretty. And right here is how it looks with the chain, which I'll be gluing in place on each vase. And here I am doing the balloon prep. The party was on a Saturday. This was Wednesday night. I started prepping 4 days before the party, so each day was a different project. So on this day here, I'm blowing up all my balloons that I would be able to fit in my car. And this was just to give me a head start, so when I get to the venue, I won't have so much to do. And these are my bags. That's all that'll fit in my car. And here on day 3, I am pressing the tablecloths and the chair linen. There are 8 tables and 64 chair covers. I wanted everything to have a nice crisp look. I also purchased the chair sashes and table runners. And as you see, the color theme is gold and black. And here is the venue before. It's a pretty big place. There was just enough room to do what we did for the setup. And right here is where I begin the setup. As you see, we had already started, and what we're doing here is putting all of the tables and chairs in place. I had a great team. My daughter, my girlfriend Josette, and my granddaughter. Right here is where I've started to put the backdrop in place. It will be a balloon backdrop with the gold curtain. The backdrop stand I purchased through Amazon, and the gold sequin curtain there, I purchased that through eFavorMart. Oh, there's my team. They were right on it. As soon as I had a little bit of difficulty, they were right there. That was my first time using that stand, guys. And once I had my stand all together, then I put it in position, and I also put the sandbags or the weights on it so that it wouldn't be so easy to fall over. And there we go. Then the next thing I went to do in my decoration, to continue my decorations, there are two poles in the middle of that room, because actually this building is a trailer, a double trailer, and it has two poles in the middle of the room. So I decorated them with the door cover stencil decorations, and I did the same thing for the window treatment. Things are coming along, guys, right here. This was about 3 hours in on this decoration. My granddaughter right there, she pre-tied all of the chair sashes, and she and my daughter began putting them in place once they were all tied. And there I am in the background with the ladder, about to dress another window. And Josette cleaned all of the mirrors for the centerpieces. The mirrors were bases for the centerpieces. It's coming along very nicely, guys. Right here, guys, I am assembling the trellis or the arch. It's a lighted arch, and this is what I used for the entrance outside of the building. And I didn't get to show or do a video of what the trellis looked like with the lights on, and I used black tulle and gold balloons to dress it up. Once my arch was completed and decorated outside, I continued to move forward with putting the backdrop together. And right here I am creating the clusters with the black balloons that I had blown up ahead of time. And once I have my clusters together, I attach them to both sides, to either side of the backdrop. while my team was blowing up the gold balloons for me and creating the clusters. I gathered them all together, and here I am being a little silly because we are now 6 hours in on this decoration. And so I created a garland with the gold balloons, and those I had placed them for the top and to go down one side of the backdrop. And here is the result of the balloon backdrop. It turned out very nice, guys. A lot of pictures were taken there. And here is the final look of all of the decorations in place. That's the cake table. And as you see, all of the centerpieces and candle holders were put in place with the battery operated candles, of course. And I also put a few strands of the metallic beads necklaces on the tables, like the Mardi Gras beads, just to throw an extra flair to it. Pictures of my sister were put in place in between the windows, as you see here. And we also used the paper lanterns to fill in spaces. That right there was the drink station. This was the DJ station with the birthday girl over top, banner over top, and this was the food station. Final touches were being put in, but basically the whole decoration setup was complete. And I couldn't have done it without my team, Josette, Maje, and Stephanie. Thank you guys. I love you guys so much. Thank you. Oh, I didn't even mention, guys, I had a red carpet that I also purchased from Amazon. And these are black and gold marble plates. This was also a kit that I purchased from Amazon, 2 boxes. The kit actually came with the cake plate, the dinner plate, the eating utensils, and the cups. I thought that was a perfect look for the gold and black theme. And there it is, guys. And this is just another side of Heart and Hand creations and events that I wanted to share with you all. And I hope that you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed putting these decorations together. And if you like the content that I put out in my video today, give me a thumbs up for a like, leave a comment in the description below, and don't forget to share, guys. Share this video, because all of those things count towards me being able to do more with my channel. The thumbs up, the shares, the comments, and the likes. If you're new to my channel, tap that subscribe button hit that notification bell so that you will be able to see the next video by Heart and Hand Creations and Events. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.